heading to the beach. We're just preparing our stuff and then our things. And then, punta na kami. Just waiting for daddy. Kasi, bumisita yung father-in-law ko. So, hinatid niya lang sa baba. We're heading to Paulina Beach. Oh, what happened to you? There's
going to Disney Beach, West Side,
Mom
Hawaii.
and G.
You're going to Walt Disney Beach. Disneyland.
So that's where we going over there.
No signal.
No signal on this side.
May parking yan. Malalang ko
Yun lang. Late na tayo. May parking pa yan.
God will provide.
Bawat lagoon naman.
Dito pag mabilis ka dito, ano eh. Nakakatakot, kailangan dito minute ka eh.
Hey, place. Yeah. That's the resort. Over there.
Oh, I missed that song. Paulina.
May nagche-check pa ba? Dati may nagche-check dito ah.
I saw ducks in the pond.
Hotel, tsaka mga swimming pool right next to the beach. Ano ng Disney yan eh, Disney company. Resort. Disney Resort. Yan.
Guys. Maria kabayad yan.
Mahal per night yan.
Ito pa yung
Disney Ayalani. Ha?
That's not my
Oo nga no. Hindi kasi nilagyan nga nila tong hotel na to. Oh yan ang Disney Ayalani. Tama. We got one parking.
You guys need to pick up something?
Huh? Alright, we're here. So here we are. That is getting the special bani. There's the Ayalani Disney Hotel.
Stay under the van. Stay under the van. And you feel the van under.
Here's the beach, guys. This is one of our favorite beach. Yeah, I did bring the Here it is. Ganda dito. Our favorite beach. Woohoo!
Aloha! Been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while since the last time we came here. That's the beach. Yeah,
Wow.
ganda no.
Here we go. Whoa, look at that. That's the 360. Yeah, it works. Mommy, monopod works. Yeah, we're having fun.
You like that? Like that? I have to do it.
Woohoo! What a day. Oh, Blaze, that's good. Take a bath. You wanted to swim?
Kain muna ako ng pera ko.
The water's cold. Angeline. Huh? Matthew. Don't go in the deep shallow. Don't go in the deep shallow. Just stay on this side. You don't know how to swim. Huh? Yeah, but don't go farther. Stay this side. Yeah, I do.
Where are Blaze's puppy?
So, kain tayo. May lunch. May spaghetti nung sa loob. Gutom na ako eh. There's mom. There's the guys.
Ay, ew.
There's Blaze. Smile.
Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, Angeline, go with mommy. 3. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Allah. Galing ah.
Almost. I just exploded.
How's your face?
I said close your mouth. The sand is gonna go to your mouth.
Oh, wait,
telling you.
It's not done. The other
The
foot.
feet. Oh, yeah, the foot. Did you put lotion? Oh, you're gonna get sunburned.
Basta tayo guys ha?
Where's your vloggy phone?
Wala nga yung walang battery.
Oh,
Naka-video ba yan?
yeah.
Yan na lang.
Close your mouth.
There's mama.
I gotta be careful here. I like too much things with the sand in your mouth. Okay. Now let me bring up some water. I'll be right back.
You wanna get up now?
No.
They cover you. They cover you with sand.
Bring some wet sand!
I am a little though.
There you go.
Where's the big way?
Matthew.
Hi. Okay, you're not.
There's G, nakabanlaw na siya. Now we're eating our lunch. She's eating the musubi with chicken. Hi G.
Hi,
Sige, kain po tayo.
kain po tayo.
We're already banlaw. So, Daddy went check Blaze at the cop van. Because apparently dog can it's not allowed. Oh, there's Daddy. He's eating lunch. Apparently the dog is not allowed in the beach, so we put him in the van. Is he okay, Dad? So yun, kain lang kami. Kuya Matt's still in the shower. And Mama Edith is in the restroom.
Matthew in the
Kain
shower.
tayo. There's Kuya Matt. He already took a shower. Eating spaghetti.
Spaghetti
ng buhok uli.
together.
And your mother.
Anniversary blessing.
Post the view again. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya how you look like in this beach. Kasi every may lagoon siya. I'll show you guys the map later.
That is coming back. It's behind you.
We're going home. Did you enjoy it?
I wish home was here.
Nice over here, yeah?
Yeah.
We're going home. One last look into the beach. It's all sunny. We're about to go. Bye-bye, beach.
Mama,
I want to be in the car. Daddy.
Mamo, parang
Look at
galing lang ng shower. Here's the map. So we're here right now. Lagoon 2. Yan. The beach.
Easy lang yung trabaho nila.
Easy. Easy ba yan? Laki din na nililinisan nila dito, oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Kuya Matt hunts a place.
Ha?
He hunts place.
Anong ham?
He was with me.
You guys enjoy the beach?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Blaze is the one moving. I'm just sitting down here.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
2015 brings with it hope of new beginnings and recommencement.
Wanna play golf, buddy?
Mahal-mahal ng golf, no? There's the golfing area.
Counseling that creates long-term health by helping to identify and resolve the emotional, spiritual, relational, and physical root causes of the pain in
Magana pa rin yung train dito, no, di ba? Road closed. Authorized vehicle. Oh,
There's a sign in there. It says, "Are we gonna run in the park? Are we gonna run to Lolo Roger?"
bye-bye.
Blue and white striped riding hood. Blue and striped riding hood. Blue and white striped riding hood. Blue and white stripe.
No!
That Medicare coverage is gift. You
Isa sa mga Wet n Wild water place, swimming pool. Can't see naman. Yun. Natatawanan nila yung hair ni Mama Edith.
Mama, inside your hair looks like Ben Franklin.
Mama Edith's hair daw look like Ben Franklin.